I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast. Welcome to a special audiobook bonus series here on the AI Beginner podcast. Let's jump right back in and dive into Chapter 7. Chapter 7. The big question. Will AI take my job? Honest, hopeful, human. Let's talk about the question that hangs over every conversation about AI. You've probably thought it yourself. Will AI take my job? It's a fair question. Every major technological shift, from the printing press to the personal computer, has sparked the same kind of anxiety. The truth is, AI will change jobs. Some will evolve, some will fade, and many new ones will be created. But that doesn't mean it's all doom and gloom. In fact, it's the opposite. AI isn't coming for your career, it's coming for your busy work. It's coming for the repetitive, time-consuming parts of your job that drain your creativity, eat your time, and add stress to your day. And once you understand how to use it, AI doesn't take your work away. It gives part of your life back. What jobs are changing and which are not disappearing? AI is already reshaping industries, but not in the ways the headlines make it sound. It's not replacing people. It's replacing tasks. Here's what that looks like. Jobs being reshaped. Customer service reps are using AI chat tools to handle routine questions faster. Writers, marketers, and designers are using AI for drafts and ideas, not to replace their creativity, but to multiply it. IT professionals and analysts are using AI to automate reports, monitor systems, and find issues before they happen. These roles aren't vanishing. They're evolving. The people who know how to use AI effectively will become the ones everyone else turns to. Jobs staying human. Anything that depends on empathy, trust, or human connection remains firmly in human hands. Teachers, nurses, therapists, leaders, coaches, creators. The work that relies on emotional intelligence can't be automated. AI can mimic tone, but it can't replace the warmth of understanding. The reality is, AI will likely change what your job looks like, not eliminate the need for you. The more you learn to use it, the more valuable you become. The adaptability advantage. How learning to use AI protects your future. Adaptability is the new superpower. The world doesn't stand still, and neither should we. Every time technology changes, the people who thrive are the ones who stay curious instead of defensive. Learning to work with AI isn't just a skill, it's career insurance. Here's what that means. If you learn how to use AI to assist your daily work, you instantly become more productive. If you share what you've learned with others, you become a leader, even informally. If you teach yourself to adapt, no new technology can ever leave you behind again. I've seen this firsthand. In my own work, AI hasn't taken anything from me. It's given me more control over my time. I used to spend hours writing and testing PowerShell scripts, tweaking code, and waiting for results. Now, I can describe the goal to AI, have it write, and explain the script, and get it running in minutes. What used to take me an entire afternoon now takes 2 minutes, and that's not an exaggeration. The result? I've freed up hours in my week that used to be swallowed up by boring tasks. I can now focus on the creative and strategic side of my work, teaching, writing, building resources, and helping others understand this new world of technology. I'm actually happier not having to sweat the boring stuff. AI didn't replace me. It multiplied what I could do. How to future-proof your career. Curiosity, creativity, and collaboration. Here's the good news. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to humans who know how to use AI. You don't have to become an expert or data scientist. You just have to be open to learning, experimenting, and adapting. The skills that will matter most aren't technical. They're timeless. Curiosity. Ask questions, experiment, and play. The people who get the most from AI are the ones who treat it like a tool to explore ideas, not a threat to avoid. You don't have to know everything. Just be willing to click on stuff. Creativity. AI is a fantastic partner, but it needs your imagination to guide it. Whether you're writing a blog post, designing a product, or planning a lesson, you bring the spark that AI can't. Let it handle the groundwork so you can focus on the creative decisions. Collaboration. The future of work isn't humans versus machines. It's humans with machines. You'll get the best results when you collaborate with AI instead of competing with it. It's your assistant, not your rival. And here's a big tip I've learned after helping others get comfortable with these tools. The biggest hurdle is fear. Once you get over the fear of AI, that feeling of, I don't understand this, so it must be dangerous, you're gold. That's the turning point. The moment you take that first small step, everything starts to click. You don't need to dive in head first. Start with a single task, maybe rewriting an email, summarizing a document, or brainstorming ideas. Watch what happens when you let the tool work with you instead of against you. That first success is all it takes to build confidence. A hopeful reality. Technology has always transformed the way we work, from typewriters to word processors, from filing cabinets to cloud storage. AI is simply the next step in that evolution. Yes, it will change some jobs, but it will also create new ones we haven't imagined yet. Roles focused on creativity, oversight, teaching, and innovation. In fact, some of the most secure careers in the next decade will belong to people who know how to use AI effectively to enhance human work, not replace it. So no, AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI might. That's why now, right now, is the best time to learn. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Be curious. Experiment. Play a little. Ask questions. And remember this. AI doesn't reduce your value. It amplifies it. Once you overcome the fear and learn how to use it, you won't just keep your job. You'll love it more. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope you're enjoying the book so far. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. And while you're there, be sure to check out our awesome and affordable courses. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next chapter.